Tired of contracts that look as boring as they read? Let's transform yours into a brand-boosting masterpiece with Pandadoc. First, we'll dive into Pandadoc's extensive library of professionally designed templates. Choose one that aligns with your industry and brand aesthetic. Think of this as your canvas. The absolute quickest way to elevate your contract is with your own branding. Locate the designated logo area within your chosen template and easily upload your company's high-resolution logo. This instantly makes it yours. Next, let's talk color. Pandadoc allows you to customize the color scheme instead of generic black and white. Select your brand's primary and secondary colors from the palette. This creates immediate recognition and a polished look. Now, let's focus on readability and hierarchy. Use clear headings and subheadings to break up the text, bold important clauses, and use bullet points for lists. This makes your contract easy to scan and digest, preventing information overload. Don't underestimate the power of visual cues. Pandadoc makes it easy to embed relevant images or icons. Think of these as small, tasteful accents that can illustrate key points or simply add a touch of visual interest without being distracting. Finally, take a moment to review. Ensure consistent formatting throughout. A beautiful contract isn't just about looking good. It demonstrates your attention to detail and professionalism, building trust with your clients from the very first page. Elevate your proposals and agreements from functional to truly impressive. Start designing your beautiful Pandadoc contracts today.